Good evening, students. I welcome you to learn the next chapter, that is Invention of the Wheel. Children, have you ever thought that how would be the life before the invention of the wheel? And what if you wish to visit your grandpa and grandma who live in another part of the country? And there are no cars, trains, planes, or buses? How would you go? Would you travel on foot? Children, we all know that thousands of years ago, the earth was inhabited by early humans. Their life was very different from ours. They used to travel from one place to another in search of food and shelter. They used to travel on foot and had to carry their own loads. This is because there were no carts then, as the wheels had not been invented. Children, now let us study the story of invention of the wheel. Children, it all started about 5000 years ago. The early humans faced a lot of difficulty in carrying heavy loads from one place to another. So, one day, one man, he was sitting, and what he found? He saw a log of wood rolling down a hill. This gave him the idea of making the wheel and that he could reduce his effort. He tied a few logs together, placed the load on it, and now he could drag it for a longer distance. Gradually, he started to cut the round pieces from the log. He then made two holes at the center of the wheels and ran a stick through them. See, children, here in the picture you can see this is the wheel and a hole, and this is the stick. He placed a few more pieces of wood to make a cart. Now he could easily load. Now he could carry the load easily wherever he wanted, and so the wheel was invented. Children, let us try to understand more with the help of a video.
The story of wheel. Early human beings had to carry loads on their backs. Later, they used sledges to pull heavy loads. It was difficult to pull a sledge with a load. Then, they started pulling sledges with the help of animals. One day, early man saw a round stone rolling down the hill. From this, he got the idea of wheel. The first wheels must have been round logs of wood. Slowly, he improved the round log. He cut a round slice from a log of wood and made a hole in its center. Thus, the first wheel was invented. It made man's life easy. Wheels were put to various uses. Pots were made on the potter's wheel. The wheel laid the foundation of machine age. Slowly, man developed many new vehicles: cycle, cycle rickshaw, car, bus, truck, etc.
Children, I hope that you must have understood how the wheels were invented. And children, this also shows that necessity is the mother of invention. What does this mean, beta? This means that whenever we require something, at that time we try to make new things. Okay? It is a great invention of wheel, due to which we are able to move much faster than in olden times. Now let us study about what are the different uses of wheel. The greatest use of wheel is transportation. Carts driven by the animals were made, which reduced human effort in traveling long distance. So children, in the picture you can see this is the cart with the wheel. And children, how like we all have studied in the early age, the early humans, they were not aware of the wheel, right? And afterward when the wheel came into existence, then the humans, they started using animals to move from one place to another, and with the help of the wheel it was very easy for them. Besides transportation, the wheel was used to make clay pots and utensils using potter's wheel. Children, this is called potter's wheel. This is the potter wheel, and when you will move this wheel, then you can make these utensils, the clay pots and the utensils. They are made with the help of the potter's wheel. So children, wheel was not only important for transportation, but also the people, they started making different utensils and pots from this wheel. And children, did you know that the early wheel that are believed to exist were actually pottery wheel? So children, this is told that the first, when the wheel was invented, it was used for making pottery only. There were no spokes in the wheel. The original wheels were circular only. With the development of the addition of spokes later. Children, earlier the wheels, they were round, circular in shape, and there were no spokes. Children, this is spoke. This is called a spoke in the middle, which you can see. Early wheel, like you can see in the picture also, they were circular in shape with a hole in between. Here also children you can see, but then slowly and gradually the spokes, they came into existence. So children, what was the need of the spoke? Why we could not use the same wheel with one hole? Let us study. The wheel is often described as the most important invention of all time. Children, this we already have come to know that the wheel was a very important invention, right? And it had a fundamental impact on transport and later on agriculture and industry. Wheels with spokes were first made around 2000 BC. Children, these wheels with the spokes, they were lighter, enabling vehicles to move faster. So like children, I was asking you that why the humans, they started, why they thought of making the spokes? Because children, this made the wheel lighter. Earlier, without spoke, the wheel was heavier. So to make the wheels lighter, the people, they thought of making spokes. Children, after here you can see the first two picture, they don't have the spoke is not there, but then after that you can see the wheels which are there, they are with the spokes. Like here children, you can understand much better. Wheel with one hole, stone wheel with one hole, wooden wheel with one hole, and then the wheels with spoke. Children, where are these wheels used? They are used in aircraft. They are also, the wheels, they are also used in trains, cars, cycles, etc. Children, now let us summarize the chapter. Hundreds of years ago, human beings used to carry loads on logs of wood. Later on, they used animals to carry their loads. Early human beings often saw round objects roll down the hills easily, which gave them the idea of a wheel. In early days, man used wheels in different ways. They cut log of wood and tied them under a flat piece of wood. Later on, various changes were made in the use of wheel. Man's invention of the wheel brought a great change in his life. With this, children, I hope you all have understood how wheel was invented. Thank you.